Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everybody. The Honorable, my lecturer, Mrs. Ayu Octaviani, and all my friends. Okay, my name is Nur Azizul Fikri from STKIP PGRI, Lubuk Linggau English Education Study Program. Today, I'd like to present about storytelling to improve students' speaking skill. And I'd like to say thank you for this opportunity. Okay, the presentation. There are 5 content. The first abstract, the second introduction, the third research method, the fourth finding and discussion, and the last conclusion and suggestion. Abstract. Speaking is the first way to interact with others in the social community. Furthermore, the success in learning a language at first can be seen from the ability of the learner speaking. However, it is very hard for the beginners to speak the foreign language, especially English. There are a lot of reasons why they get difficulties in speaking, such as lack of ideas to tell, lack of vocabularies to express the ideas, lack of the chance to speak, and lack of the interesting teaching method that can motivate them to speak. This research was a collaborative classroom action research whose main purpose was to know whether or not storytelling could improve the student's speaking skill. Introduction. The reason I choose this title is that I'm very interested in explaining it, because I agree that storytelling can improve students' speaking skills. This is because the students are asked to retell a story in their own language. As social humans, people always interact and communicate one another. The first way to do the interaction and communication is by speaking. In this case, people express their ideas and communicate what they want orally. To address students who have difficulty speaking English, this study applies storytelling. That's why talking about is important for someone. As the opinion of experts states by Ayer and Few 2015, state that we need effective English language skill in all aspects of life in this globalization era. And Tahir 2015 said that a person is considered successful in learning a foreign language when has the ability to speak. Research and methods. This research is a collaborative action research. It consists of 4 steps. They namely planning, implementation, observation, and reflection. Research collaborates with collaborators. The research is an intensive lecture in the English language program in class N. Meanwhile, the collaborator is another lecturer in the intensive English program from another class. This research cycle consists of 2 cycles. Each cycle containing 2 meetings. The research method used in data collection and data analysis techniques. Observation and speaking tests are data collection techniques used in the study. There are 2 data analysis techniques in study, namely descriptive analysis and statistic analysis. The collaborator analyzes the observation data using descriptive analysis to determine the lecturer's activities, students' activities, and student response while the lecturer taught speaking using storytelling in class N. Then, to determine the improvement of student speaking skill and percentage of students who passed the passing grade, the research used statistical analysis. Finding and discussion consists of the cycles cycle 1. In cycle 1, there is an activity carried out by the lecturer, student activity, and student response. Cycle 2, in cycle 2, there is an activity carried out by the lecturer, student activity, and student response. Lecturer activities in cycle 1. The lecture activities in the first cycle were checking the attendance list, telling students how to handle the class, and teaching speaking using the storytelling methods. Student activities in cycle 1, the following is a description of student activities related to the storytelling methods applied by the lecturer. Number 1, students sit in group of 5 people. Number 2, students pay attention to the reading text in their module when the lecturer reads and translates the reading text. Number 3, students discuss the contents of the reading text using their own words in 7 minutes. Number 4, group representative present the results of their discussion within 3 minutes. Number 5, students listen and pay attention to reviews given by the lecturer. Student feedback. Student feedback in cycle 1, students were a little surprised when asked to retell the story in front of the class at the first meeting. Cycle 2. The activities of lecturer in the cycle 2, same as the activities of the lecturer in the first cycle. In this cycle, the lecturer gives additional time for discussion for 20 minutes. Student activities, although there are always students who do not attend lecture at every meeting. Students who enter class always follow direction of the lecturer. Student feedback. Student feedback in cycle 2, students really respect the lecturer's decision about the extension of the time. They all took their time seriously. The result of speaking test. The percentage of students passing the passing grade of each speaking aspect in post-test 1 was less than 76%, so that it could be said that cycle 1 was unsuccessful. Meanwhile, the percentage of students passing the passing grade of each speaking aspect in post-test 2 could reach 75%. It means that cycle 2 was considered successful. The students' speaking skill got improvement in all aspects of speaking, such as comprehension, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. This is my presentation. If any question, please.
Yes, I have a question for you.
Okay, Intan.
In the research method, there are 2 types of analysis, namely descriptive analysis and statistical analysis. My question is, what is the function or use of each of these analyses? Thank you.
Okay, Intan, thank you. Wait a minute. I will answer. Okay, Intan, I will answer your question. Descriptive analysis is used to know the activities of lecturers, student activities, and students' response while the lecturer teaches speaking using storytelling. And statistic analysis was used to determine the increase in student speaking skill and the percentage of students who passed. Do you understand, Intan?
Yes, I understand. Thank you, Fikri.
Okay, you are welcome. Any question?
I think enough.
Okay, thank you. Okay, if no question, I will conclude today's presentation. Conclusion and suggestion, based on the result of the research above, the conclusion can be drawn as follows. Number one, storytelling could improve speaking skill of the student. Number two, the lecturer's activities in cycle 1 and students and cycle 2 were generally the same and successful. The students' activities were in good progress from cycle 1 to cycle 2. They followed what the lecturer instructed. Number four, the students' response also were a little bit different between cycle 1 and cycle 2. Okay, I think that's enough my presentation today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you guys.